Now that's better. All right. Oh, it's... There you go. Want to step out? Of course you do. Of course you want to step out. That's my cutie pie. That's my Sasquatch. There you go. Oh, what a beautiful bird. Oh, what a beautiful baby you are. Who loves a Sasquatch? Sasquatch. Oh, you're going to eat my sweater? Oh, dear. Oh, dear, Sasquatch. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, you're so good. Look at you. Look at you, baby. That's my beautiful baby bird. That's my little lovebird. Can I play with you? Where's the beak? The beak? Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. You're such a good boy. You're an amazing little bird. You really are. You're totally amazing. I love that bird. I love that little bird. That's my Sasquatch. Hello. I see your pretty little face. There's your pretty little face. What you doing? What you doing, cutie pie? Oh, we're going to play with a button, huh? You my baby? You are. That's my baby bird. That's my boy. I'm going to get that beak. I'm going to get that beak. Give me the beak. Give me the beak. Ooh, I want to play with that beak. Ooh, where's that beak? Got it. Got that beak. Got that beak. Oh, I love that beak. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. You're so good. Sasquatch is such a good baby. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right. All right. All right.